There is a few things I'd like to talk about before this video starts, and that is one, why do people comment first and all the time when they don't even watch the video? Just watch the video because it really does annoy me. Two, I remove comments, or I've got a bot that removes comments, like cool, because I know people don't watch the video, they just comment for the likes and hearts, and those people know exactly who they are. And three, I can no longer actually see who dislikes my video since the new, YouTube Studio app, has got rid of the disliking feature. So, yeah, that's the thing. So, I don't know why people are still disliking. You should be liking. But anyways, so yeah, today we'll be taking a close look at an unboxing of Rocket Racer's George Newin. Ignore the actual thing here. This is like where the tape was and I had to peel it off before the start of the video. But this is one of my favourites. And he was in, I believe, the second wave of Rocket Racers, along with Ed Trunken over here. And, of course, George Newin. This is, in fact, my second Rocket Racers George Newin now, as you can see. I've got two, so you know what that is. One to open, one to keep in the package. That's all I do. But yeah, we got that today. And this one is going to be one of my favourites. It's my second favourite behind Eric Breaker. I do like Eric Breaker quite a lot. But yeah, so without further ado, let's start off with the package. This was the first time we actually got to know that George Newin's name was actually George Newin for the Next Gen Leakless, because before, the diecast was also called Next Gen Leakless. So that's a cool thing, I guess. Here's the package, 3+ Mattel. You can see the little things to try the rockets, which are pretty decent. We've got the pit stop or blast wall there. You can see the rockets move. There's his artwork. First time we see George Newin's artwork. Cars logo. Rocket Racing. On the back, we can just see George Newin in a bunch of different languages. And of course, there's his prototype image. Looks pretty cool. So, we'll be right back with this guy all opened up. As you saw there, that was quite difficult to open up. But yep, here he is all out of the package. I'm taking a closer look at the pit wall barrier, pit stop thing, blast wall, however you call it. I like to call it just pit stop wall or whatever. It's just a sticker with the 52 and the XOS on it in yellow and black colours to represent George Newin. Pretty cool. I actually do like it, but we're just going to leave this here in the background for now, next to the mini racer of George Newin. And here he is, all out of the package. Of course, this is the Vietnam variant, and again, just like my Eric Breaker, there is a dent right there on the front, which does actually annoy me. Got the Next Gen expression, which is actually different to the regular diecast, so don't know why they changed it there. And you can see he is one of the ones that has changed the most, because he's got no more splat on top, and of course just black, and then it looks pretty cool. XOS George Newin with a dash, George New dash win. 52 on the hood, as you can see, 52, 52. Up there, I think it does say George Newin just about, or Leakless, which is a bit odd. Lightyear rims, XOS, there's a black splat for the side though. Just we know 52. Sponsors, Piston Up, Professional Carbon Cyber Synergy. Really clear though for Vietnam, which is surprising. And here are the back wheels. You can see the rockets move on both sides. No rookie stripes now because he's no longer a rookie. XOS George Newin. And here is the base, made in Vietnam. So here he is. Quick comparison, I guess. Sides, back, the bases. And, of course, the Disney Store one, which I do actually own. I don't own the Tomica one because I don't like Tomica diecasts. And, of course, we've got the mini one there. Here are the other three that were, of course, in roughly the same wave. Move this one out of the way. Let me know which is your favourite. I reviewed Ed Trunken before. I was the first ever person to review Ed Trunken in the world, actually. So that's a little something for you guys to know. But yeah, if you guys are new, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, hit that bell notification down below, of course, to the next one. Peace, guys.